Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix vitamin D deficiency quickly. First, understand that vitamin D is vital for bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. Many people experience low levels, often without realizing it. Recognizing the signs, like persistent tiredness or muscle aches, is the first step. We'll explore effective strategies to boost your vitamin D levels and improve your well-being. Sunlight is your body's primary way to produce vitamin D. Aim for about 10 to 30 minutes of direct sun exposure, especially during midday, a few times weekly. This allows your skin to synthesize the vitamin naturally. Remember to expose a good portion of your skin, like your arms and legs, but always be mindful of sunburn. Short, frequent exposures are more effective and safer than long sessions. Beyond sunlight, diet plays a key role. Foods like salmon, mackerel, and fortified dairy products offer some vitamin D. However, dietary intake alone often isn't enough to correct a deficiency quickly. High-quality vitamin D3 supplements are highly effective. Many adults benefit from 600 to 800 IU daily, but your doctor might recommend higher doses, such as 2,000 IU or more, to rapidly restore healthy levels. To fix a vitamin D deficiency quickly, combine all these strategies. Regular, safe sun exposure, a diet rich in vitamin D, and consistent supplementation work synergistically. Always consult your doctor for a blood test to determine your exact levels and to get a personalized treatment plan. They can advise on the appropriate dosage and monitor your progress. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.